ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் எம்சிக்யூ கிளாஸ் 6 வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், அனதர் நேம் ஃபார் கார்டியாக் பிளட் பூல் இமேஜ் இஸ்? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ கார்டியாக் எம்ஆர்ஐ, ஆப்ஷன் பி கார்டியாக் பிஇடி, ஆப்ஷன் சி முகா ஸ்கேன், ஆப்ஷன் டி தாலியம் ஸ்கேன். ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன் சி முகா ஸ்கேன், மல்டிகேட்டட் அக்யூசேஷன் ஸ்கேன். Second question, 15 minutes after a client experiences an eclamptic seizure, the nurse should assess the client for which of the following? Option A facial flushing, option B hypotension, option C polyuria, option D uterine contraction. Answer option D uterine contraction. Third question, sign of diabetic ketoacidosis is? Option A absence of deep tendon reflexes, option B loss of sweating, option C depression, option D dehydration. Answer option D dehydration. Fourth question, Guthrie test is useful for screening. Option A phenylketonuria, option B Pom's disease, option C hemophilia, option D thalassemia. Answer option A phenylketonuria. Fifth question, normal body mass index is? Option A 18.5 to 24.99, option B 15 to 18, option C 25 to 29.99, option D more than 30. Answer option A 18.5 to 24.99. Sixth question, the plasma protein that maintains oncotic pressure of blood is? Option A globulin, option B fibrinogen, option C albumin, option D prothrombin. Answer option C albumin. Seventh question, a pregnant woman visit a hospital with hemoglobin level less than 8 gram per dl just 7 days before delivery. The ideal treatment is? Option A oral iron tablet, option B injectable iron formulation, option C deworming the mother, option D giving blood transfusion. Answer option D giving blood transfusion. Eighth question, the most common cause of pleural effusion is? Option A pneumonia, option B ventricular failure, option C malignancy, option D cirrhosis. Answer option B ventricular failure. Ninth question, identify the image. Option A reduction clamp, option B abductor, option C bone holding forceps, option D pliers. Answer option C bone holding forceps. 10th question, identify the image. Option A Magill forceps, option B ovum forceps, option C green hermitage, option D biopsy forceps. Answer option A Magill forceps. 11th question, amount of medicine can be injected into gluteal muscle is? Option A up to 2 ml, option B up to 5 ml, option C up to 10 ml, option D up to 7 ml. Answer option B up to 5 ml. 12th question. While giving enema, height of enema can from anus should be option A 18 inch, option B 12 inch, option C 9 inch, option D 6 inch. Answer option A 18 inch. 13th question. Which blood vessel normally demonstrates a prominent reversal of flow during the cardiac cycle? Option A renal artery, option B middle cerebral artery, option C vertebral artery, option D ascending thoracic aorta. Answer option D ascending thoracic aorta. 14th question. Which blood vessel has the greatest peak velocity? Option A abdominal aorta, option B thoracic aorta, option C carotid artery, option D renal artery. Answer option A abdominal aorta. 15th question. Nursing management of a client after IVP. Option A encourage fluid intake, option B administer laxative, option C assessing for hematuria, option D maintain bed rest. Answer option A encourage fluid intake. 16th question. Which is a urinary tract analgesic? Option A oxybutynin, option B nalidixic acid, option C flavoxate, option D urispas. Answer option B nalidixic acid. 17th question. A learner is trying to locate specific information without even reading the whole passage. This reading is known as option A shared reading, option B critical reading, option C scanning, option D skimming. Answer option C scanning. 18th question. Which of the following sign is most significant for a patient received after a immediate TURP intervention? Option A pain, option B confusion, option C anxiety, option D hematuria. Answer option B confusion. 19th question. This comfort device is used to support hips and thighs, preventing external rotation and keeping the feet in alignment in case of paralysis, fracture of femur and hip surgery. Option A trochanter roll, option B bed block, option C bedboard, option D sandbag. Answer option A trochanter roll. 20th question. What is a desirable total cholesterol level? Option A 200 to 239, option B more than 240, option C less than 200, option D none of the above. Option C less than 200.